Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Porsche Macan versus Cayenne. We'll explore their key differences, helping you decide which luxury SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Macan is known for its agile handling and compact size, perfect for city driving. In contrast, the Cayenne offers a more spacious interior and robust performance, ideal for families or longer journeys. Let's dive into the specifics of each model. When it comes to size, the Cayenne is significantly larger than the Macan. The Macan, being a compact SUV, is about 186 inches long, making it nimble for urban environments. The Cayenne, a mid-size SUV, stretches to around 194 inches, offering more legroom and overall cabin volume. This extra length translates directly into greater comfort for passengers and increased cargo capacity, which we'll discuss next. Performance-wise, both SUVs uphold Porsche's reputation for exhilarating drives. The Macan typically features a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering around 261 horsepower. The Cayenne, however, often starts with a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, producing 348 horsepower, and offers even more potent options. This power difference also reflects in their towing capabilities and, of course, their starting price points. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. If you prioritize agile handling, a sportier feel, and a more compact footprint for city driving, the Macan is an excellent choice. If you need more passenger and cargo space, a higher towing capacity, and a more luxurious, comfortable ride for family adventures, the Cayenne is likely the better fit. Both deliver the unmistakable Porsche experience. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.